Hi, this is Brantley with dSupport Online, and welcome to our dMystify series. Today we'll be going over the VipreRescueScanner made by Threat Track Security. It's another command prompt scanner, kind of like A2CMD, but offers some other definitions and some different techniques with its engine here. You'll see it's under the malware section and in our automated category because it is fully automated, and will scan through for viruses on the target drive. If you're running a scan on the system, it'll target the live system. There is also a option for the offline operations as well. And this is only a DMZ custom app at the moment, so the deep scan actually uses the target drive and would be able to scan an offline partition as well. You'll see that we have the quick scan and deep scan, which are both the DMZ custom app editions that we have available for download. The default ones in D7 are going to be the auto and manual, and they're not as full-fledged or targeted as the quick scan and deep scan are. So first we'll go ahead and start by showing what happens when you double click here, and it'll go ahead and download the Viper zip file. Then we'll see the command line prompt show up here shortly for it. Again, it is all automated, so we'll just go through and scan the target drive, and for this one we just have it on a quick scan parameter, and basically any viruses it found it would go ahead and remove for you, and once it's done it would go ahead and exit out and continue on with the rest of your automation you have there. So we're going to go ahead and just close out here. We're going to go check out their website here, which will be similar to the download page, because that'll be where you'll be able to get their command line rescue scanner. So you have your download link here and some instructions that you can even run it in safe mode. And it is nice to note, if you look at their comparison, that they claim to have a much higher score compared to many of your name brand virus scanners out there. And they do offer a full version Internet Security Suite as well as antivirus, and I believe they're up to the 2015 version now. And if we go ahead and jump into the configuration of that app, you can see that we have the name, the website, and the direct download link for it. It does run on all versions of Windows, including servers, 32-bit and 64-bit, and it is fully automated. The download one uses a little bit different setting here. You can see it uses the non-direct URL download method, and basically it's because it returns a page and it has to scrape for that download link, but it does get the zip file and downloads it for us. No pre-execution settings. And then you can see we have our VipreRescueScanner.exe running, and here you can see the targeted path parameter that we've added with our custom DMZ app, and then the quick parameter. You'll notice that we do randomize the file name, so if any malware is trying to block it or virus is trying to block it, it'll have a random file name, so it won't be able to be blocked by the file name running. And also we have to run it in a CMD, and the reason for that is so that we can pipe in the inner keystroke to make it fully automated, as once the scan completes it ask you to press enter to continue, and that's a neat trick that the custom apps have recently added to be able to pipe in that inner keystroke. The post execution is going to move the comma separated value log file to your malware reports directory, and then we have it set to download if it's greater than a day old, so you have the latest definitions and our short description as well as our work report language. For the deep scan, you can see the difference is that you have the /deep parameter, so it'll do a more thorough check of the system, and that is the one that we use for the offline operations. And just to show you the default apps and the differences in the execution there, basically everything else is the same except for the execution. You can see it doesn't have the command line parameters, and for the auto mode it has the piping the inner key in, and for the manual mode it just doesn't have that inner keystroke entered. So that is our VipreRescueScanner, and it's a nice antivirus scanner that with our custom DMZ apps we're able to use a quick scan and deep scan as well as an offline operation where the default D7.2 apps don't include those options, and it is fully automated, so it is a very nice addition to the tool set here. And I hope that has demystified VipreRescueScanner a little bit for you, and I want to thank you for watching.